Meanwhile, at the splendid RAF barracks at St Athan today, Cardiff City began their trek out of the 3rd Division with a week-long live-in training session at the camp. Awaiting them later, the assault course, but first a welcome for the manager from the commanding officer, Air Commodore Charles Coulthorpe.
Nice to meet you, CO. How'd you do?
Good morning. It's a pleasure to see you.
Thank you very much indeed.
You getting everything you want?
Yes, marvellous.
Well, we've got good facilities here.
Well, we've used some of the facilities this morning and they're absolutely first class, and we've had tremendous assistance and help from your boys as well.
Well, we like to see people win.
Taki Micallef and new skipper Jimmy Mullen were volunteered by manager Len Ashurst to do a second circuit of the punishing assault course, which is a regular part of RAF training. With a temperature near the 80s, they did well to get this far. Mind you, they got precious little change out of manager Ashurst, who revealed a sadistic side to his otherwise sunny nature.
Chalky. And hit the net, Jim. Go on, hit the net. Go on, Chalky, right in the middle of it. Super, and rest. That'll do you, boys.
The final part of the course entailed a slide down a wire rope. I waited hopefully at the bottom to do an in-depth interview with new captain Jimmy Mullen.
Well, Jimmy, if you can get your breath back just for a moment, what did you make of that as a course?
Very hard. Very hard.
You ever express that? Come closer. You're not going to get away that easily. Taki, Jimmy was just going to tell me what you made of that as an assault course. Do you think it's going to do anything for your fitness?
Oh, I think it helps, yeah. It's tough, like, so anything that does you pain, like, it must be good.
How long do you think you'll survive? You're supposed to be here for a week, Jim.
Probably another 2 hours.
Can't go.